Hi friends, it's Miss Donna. How are you? I hope you're all doing well and we miss you guys all so much. I hope you guys enjoyed my first video about learning your colors in Spanish. Today we're actually going to be making a project. So raise your hand if you know what slime is. Yeah? Raise your hand if you've ever played with slime. Yeah? And raise your hand if you've ever made slime. Okay, I see some of my friends have and I see some haven't. So, I have never made slime either, so this is gonna be my first time just like you guys. So we're gonna practice together. Would you like to learn and practice how to make slime with me? Yes? All right. Okay, so let's get our ingredients ready. Okay? All right. So the first ingredient that we need to make our slime is glue. Okay. We need contact solution. We need baking soda. All right. And shaving cream. Oh, some is coming up. There we go. All right. So now that we have our 4 ingredients, let's talk about something very important, right? So, these ingredients are for our project, right? Do we put them in our mouth? No way, Jose. Do we put them on our face? No. Why don't we put them in our mouth? That's right. Because it's not food, right? We don't eat this, right? It's not food. It's yucky. It'll make our tummies hurt, right? If we put it in our mouths. Yeah. It'll make our tummies feel yucky, right? So these are just to make slime, all right? Okay. And parents, feel free to put some clothes you don't mind getting your friend dirty in, because it could get a little bit messy. So feel free to get them dressed in something that's just okay to get dirty in. Yeah. All right, let's get started. Okay. So the first thing we're gonna do is add all of our glue into our bowl. Make sure to squeeze it all out, friend. Squeeze it all out. Whoa, that was a big bowl. Look at that bubble right there. See that? Squeeze it all out. Use all your strength. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. All right. I think we got it all out. All right. Our next step is we're gonna add half a teaspoon of baking soda. Can you say baking soda? That's right, baking soda. We're gonna pour it all in there, okay? And friends, what color is the baking soda and the glue? Are they blue? No. Are they yellow like my glasses? No. What color? They're white, that's right. And friends, do you guys remember how to say white in Spanish? I'll give you guys a clue. It starts like this. Blah, blah. Did I just... Can you repeat that, friend? That's right. Blanco. White in Spanish is blanco. Well done, friend. All right. So now that we poured our glue and our baking soda inside, we are gonna put our shaving cream. All right, ready? Friend, what color is the shaving cream? That's right, it's also white. And friend, what happened? Look at that. Whoa. Is that fluffy? Yeah, you saw how that, it puffed right up. That's so cool, huh? That's amazing. Yeah. And parents, you guys can feel free to have your friend play with shaving cream as just like another project by itself. They have so much fun doing it. All right. Now that we have our baking soda in, we have our glue in, and we have our shaving cream in, we're gonna add our last ingredient. And this is contact solution, okay? It looks like water, but it's not. So do we drink it? No way, Jose. It does not go in our mouth because it is not water, okay? All right, so we're gonna, let's see. We'll put some in a little cup. All right. And we're gonna start mixing everything together. Actually, I'm gonna use this spoon better. And parents, to make slime, I wouldn't say there's an exact measurement for this. You just kind of have to eyeball it and see the kind of consistency you want for your slime. So there's no perfect recipe for it. Just gotta mix, mix, mix. Ready? All right, we're gonna sing a song. We're gonna sing a song in Spanish while we mix, all right? Okay, ready? Uno, dos, tres. Dale, 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 no pierdas el tino, porque si lo pierdes, pierdes tu camino. Ya le diste una, ya le diste dos, ya le diste tres y tu tiempo se acabó. All right, let's take a look. Whoa! What happened? Look at that, friend. Let's see if it's the right consistency. Let's see. All right, let's mix it with our hands a little bit. Stretch it. Oh. You see how it's still sticking to my hand? It's a little too sticky for me. So I'm gonna add a little bit more of contact solution. I'm gonna pour a little bit on there. Okay, and I'm gonna start stretching again. There we go. Starting to get a little bit less sticky now. Wow, there we go. Yeah, that's starting to get better. See how it's starting to come off my hands too? Yeah. See how stretchy it is? Whoa! I'm gonna put my plate to the side. And you can keep mixing it. And you can just have your friend play with it. And the shaving cream is optional. I like to add it because it makes the slime fluffy. It makes it a lot softer. But the shaving cream is optional. You don't have to add it into your mix. You can also I'm gonna add a little bit more. You can also add some glitter or some color to your slime. I didn't have any, that's why I didn't add it, but you can always feel free to do so. All right, I'm gonna dry my hands. They're a little yucky. And there you have it, friends. There is our slime. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for helping me make slime, my friends. I hope you have lots of fun with your family making it too. All right, I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.